in fourth week we will also discuss chapter number 2, which is integers. The topic in this chapter is fraction. You can see the definition of fraction which is written on the board. So what is fraction? Fraction tells us how many parts of a whole we have. So here is the example of fraction 3 by 4 fraction. We will write fraction like this. So it contains two parts. Which one is the upper one number will be called numerator and the lower number will be called denominator. So 3 by 4. You can also say like that 3 out of 4. It means that there is one item which is of 4 parts. So we are having 3 out of 4. Now come to the types of fraction. There are 3 types of fraction. Number 1 is proper fraction, second one is improper fraction, and third one is mixed fraction. Now come to the definition of these type. Proper fraction. Here you can see that proper fraction is that fraction in which denominator is greater than numerator. So you can see this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So you can see that the denominator is greater than numerator. Again, denominator is greater than numerator. Here in this example, denominator is greater than numerator. Now improper fraction. In improper fraction, the fraction must have denominator less than numerator. You can see the example. Denominator is less than numerator. So here 4 by 2, which represent that the denominator is less than numerator. Again in 9 by 5, denominator is less than numerator. Now come to the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction have 3 of its parts. One part is whole number and the second one is numerator, and then we are having denominator. You can see the example. Mixed fraction or whole fraction can be represented like this. 4 1 by 2. You have to solve this fraction. How will you solve this question or this fraction? You have to multiply this denominator with the whole number and then you will add these values with the numerator. In this case, denominator will not be changed. So you will solve like this. 2 4s are 8 and then you will add this 8 with this one. So 8 plus 1 will become 9 and the denominator will remain same in this case. Now come to your homework. You have to do practice of exercise 2.3 and I hope you understand the full concept of fraction and these type, and first of all you have to learn all the definition and then you have to solve this exercise. Thank you so much.